Insert the screws on the end of the shade with the roller mechanism. Make sure that the screw does not go through the bar. Next comes the recording. Fasten the blind on the higher side of the roof. It is not necessary to pre-drill. Feel free to drive the screws into the wood. Measure the location of the hooks. It is important that the conductor cables run straight. Mark the location of the hooks on the opposite beam. Drill it out. Fold in the hooks. Make a loop at the end of the middle wire rope. Tighten the fastener firmly. Hook the tensioner. Pass the wire rope through the middle hook and hook the clamp to the outer hook. Tighten it. Make a loop at the end of each of the two extreme wire ropes, paying attention to the length. Hang it on the two outermost hooks and hold them together with the clamp. Tighten the second clamp as well. The movable shade is ready.